Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a junction in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go to setup and from there we can go uh, to object manager and start creating our new object. So basically, I'm just going to click on create here and I'm just going to create custom and give it some kind of label. So I'm just going to give it for posting, for example, and just it's just having it like something just random. And basically, we need to start to click to add some kind of here and make sure it is all the records are working very well, and basically the record name we want it to be just a number and it will be an auto number, and let's just as a display format to be something similar to this, and I'm just going to copy and paste this text, and the starting number should be 1. You can click and save, and now we need just to go to our fields in relationship, and from here we need to start creating on clicking on you, and basically now we want to have a master detail relationship. We go and click on next, and basically now the related would be, for example, position or any kind of other object that you want to create a junction with. So let's suppose that we want to do it with contact or accounts or whatever. So I'm just going to choose contact, and from here I'm just going to click on next and just add the field name, whatever, and just click on next. So simply now you have created your custom object junction by having the relationship between an object and your custom object. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.